This video covers the situation analysis for Flip It Logistics, speaking, consulting, and advertising. This is a template for a value chain analysis. It's basically supply chain oriented. We have inbound logistics, operations, outbound logistics, marketing and sales, service, procurement, technology development, human resources, firm infrastructure. All of these things go into your supply chain, which is part of your value chain, which leads to good margins. You want to eliminate as much things in this process that you can to reduce costs and create an overall savings. But some things have to be added in order to increase the value of the products that you're offering. SWOT analysis. These are pretty commonly done for nearly every class. You have your strengths, your weaknesses, your opportunities, and your threats. This helps a company to see what their weak points are, and it's good for a company to do analysis for competitors also. In order to maintain a competitive advantage, you have to look at other companies and see where there are gaps. Your company may be able to take over in an area where your competitors are weak at. So these are really important to have. Vessels analysis. So this covers